Nikon made a bit of industry noise when it announced it would enter the mirrorless, interchangeable lens camera race in 2011. Since then, Nikon has unveiled several variants of its Nikon 1 series of compact system cameras. The Nikon 1J3 represents the third-generation mirrorless interchangeable lens camera in the Nikon 1J line. The J3 is available in 5 different colors and carries a MSRP of $600 bundled with a 1 Nikon 10 to 30 mm lens, which we reviewed. Other available configurations include a 10 to 100 mm lens and a 10 to 30 mm and 10 to 100 mm 2-lens kit. When we last checked out the J1, we thought Nikon made a good first effort but had more work to do. Let's see if things have improved. Right out of the box, it's apparent that the J3 was designed with style in mind. It's as if the J3 was designed more to be a fashion accessory than a camera. Given the availability in white, red, black, beige and silver, there's probably a J3 out there to match perfectly with anyone's wardrobe. U2026 Nikon seems to have made a concerted effort to appeal more to the auto point and shoot user. The J3 features a 14.2 megapixel CX high-speed AF CMOS sensor that's larger than most point and shoots but smaller than those found in other ILCs like This ups the pixel count from the J1 and J2's 10.1 megapixel sensor. The camera itself does not feature any vibration reduction, so you must be sure to get Nikon SVR labeled lenses if you desire this feature. Fortunately, the included lens features Nikon SVR tech. Camera controls are fairly simple. The top edge of the camera has a knob that lets the user select a major shooting mode, a shutter release button, and a video shooting button. This varies slightly from the J1, which